Welcome back. Ever wondered how millions of gamers, creators, coders, and even classrooms stay connected like a pro? The answer is one word: Discord. And today you are going to download and install Discord in your desktop, PC, laptop, or even in your smartphone. So don't blink because this isn't just about installing Discord. It's all about opening the gate to a whole new digital universe. Let's begin. Step 1. Open your favorite web browser. I am choosing Chrome, or you can also go with MS Edge, Firefox, Brave browser, whatever you love. In the search bar, type Discord download, or just go to www.discord.com. Click on first link. Now, on the home page, you will see a big friendly button that says Download for Windows. Click it and boom, your download will start in few seconds. Save it and it takes few seconds for downloading Discord setup.exe. So wait for it. And you can see the Discord setup was fully downloaded. Once it's downloaded, go to your downloads folder or where you saved it. Double click on discord setup.exe, give it a moment. It's fetching the latest version for you. Yup, Discord's already working behind the scenes to set up your digital HQ. Discord might take a minute or two of update itself, that's normal. It's just making sure you get the fresh version of it. Once done, it's opened automatically like this. And just like that, you are in. Now, either log in into your account or create a new one. If you just starting out, all you need is a valid email, a strong password, and a cool username. No coding, no setup mess, just click, type, and boom, you are on Discord. Add a profile picture, write a cool bio, maybe even pick your favorite theme. Make it your digital vibe zone. From here, you can join servers, create your own. If you want to add a server, click on plus icon and create my own for community and for you and for your friends. Talk over voice, chat, stream games. You can also generate different types of channels. I have general and solution. And I can go anywhere, anytime, with anybody. And all in your hands. Even host study groups or team projects. The power all in your hands. And hey, before you dive into deep, make sure to join our official PcomLap Discord server. And this server is for you. If you have any problems, you can share with us here. The link of this server is in about section or also in description box. So check it out. We are not just on YouTube, we are on live on every social media handle. LinkedIn, Facebook, Threads, Twitter, Instagram, and Discord itself. So whether you are a PC power user or just tech curious, follow us everywhere to catch exclusive guides, updates, giveaways, and content plans. Searching for help like Discord Setup Guide 2025 or Fix Discord Not Installing. You are in the right place. Smash that subscribe button on PcomLap. Click the bell icon to get notified and join thousands who are upgrading their tech life one video at a time. Oh, and if you think this was helpful, wait till you see what we are dropping next week. Yep, it's already teased on our social handles. Go sneak a peek before someone else gets the tech edge. So, thanks for watching Tech Beyond Expectations.